Hello, all of you. Now, today we'll continue from question number 6 of exercise 8.3. Now, here we have two cases. Okay, in first case, principal is 80,000, rate is 10% compounded annually. Okay, and n is 1 by 2 years. Okay, so 1 by 2 years can be written as 3 by, okay, 1 by 2 years we will write it in this way only. Okay, we have learned how to frame the formula. Now, let's write the formula. As because it is 1.5 year, so and compounded annually, so for 1 year we'll write as 1 plus r by 100 n. Now for half year, remember what I said, what is the denominator? 2, so 2 into 100 and 2 to the power n. Now let's write it down. Now 80,000, 1 plus 10 upon 100, this would be 1, and for half year 10 by 2 into 100, 2 into what is half year, so in place of n we'll write half, so this 2 will be cancelled. Now 80,000 will reduce just two zeros, so it will look like 1 upon 10. Again we'll do the same thing with this, so 1 plus 1 by 20. Now we'll solve the bracket. 80,000, 10, 10 plus 1, this is 20, 20 plus 1, so 80,000 into 11 upon 10, 21 upon 10. So we'll just reduce the zeros, so 800 into 11 into 21. So what will be the amount? So the answer is 184800. Okay, so this is the amount. Okay, now let's move on to the next condition, the next case. Now they have said if the same principles would have calculated in the half yearly forms, what would be the amount? Okay, so number 2, so half yearly formula is, we will straight away write the formula. It is r by 2 into 100 to the power 2n. So we'll just calculate this. This will be 3 by 2 years, isn't it? So in half yearly you will do the you will convert this mixed fraction form into the improper form, but when it is written compounded annually you will not do this. Okay, now that is 80,000, 1 plus 10 upon 2 into 100 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So 80,000, now let's reduce this 2, so 1 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 3. So that would be equals to, we'll solve the bracket, that is 20, it will be 20 plus 1 to the power 3. Now 80,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Let's reduce the zeros first. Zeros, now let's 2 40s are, 2 ones are, 2 20s are, and 2 ones are, 2 10s are. So 10 into 21 into 21 into 21. So let's see what is the answer. So answer is 92,610. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 6. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 7. Now this is in 7 also we have two cases. So first we'll do the first case. Okay, so according to the first case, the principal is given 8,000, rate is given 5% compounded annually, and time we have to get the amount value for 2 years. So first write the formula, that is P 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Okay, so what is P? 8,000, r is 5 upon 100 to the power 2. So we can reduce this also. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are, so it will look like 80,000, 1 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 2. So we'll solve the bracket. 20 plus 1 upon 20, so 80,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Reduce the zeros, students. So 2 40s are, 2 20s are. So 20 into 21 into 21. So what will be the answer? Let's check it out. Answer is 8820. Okay, so this is the first part. Now they have asked what will be the interest for the third year. Now already we have seen the amount value for 2 years, isn't it? Now for the third year, when we enter to the third year, then this would be the principal. Okay, remember, when this type of question is there, the first second year, this is the amount, and this amount will be the principal for the third year. Okay, so they have asked what would be the interest of the third year. So remember that compound interest and simple interest, if you are getting the value of 1 year of any value, if you're getting the interest of any amount for 1 year, then in that case compound interest and simple interest will be same. So the value of 1 year for any amount, both the interest will be same. So in this case, second case, the principal would be now 8820, rate would be 5% only, and n is 1 year, because only for 3 years, already 2 years is done. For third year, what will be the interest? So we'll take n as 1. So as I said, the compound interest and simple interest will be same, so we'll just go with the simple interest formula. So what is principal? 8820, rate is 5 and time is 1 given upon 100. So if you calculate it, so the answer would be, first reduce the zeros, so 2 5s are 10, 4 4 1, 5 5 will be reduced, so answer is 441. Okay, this is very important. Mark star on this question number 6 and 7. These are very important questions, students. Okay, so this is the assignments for today, that is question number 6 and question number 7. Okay, thank you and take care.